Assalamualaikum students. I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Sadia Arshad. Today the subject that we are going to study that is English, and the topic is reading of ORT book, and the name of the book is Go Away Floppy. Let me read it for you, then I will explain it to you one by one pages. Go away floppy. Go away floppy. We are skipping. Go away floppy. We are painting. Come back floppy. Floppy, come back. We are sorry. So KG class, this is the story about a dog and his friend Kipper. In this picture you can see the dog is having a ball in his mouth and he is in mood of playing with his friend Kipper. But you can see that Kipper is busy in coloring. He is having colors around and there is a page in front of him and he is doing coloring on it, and he is saying, and he is stopping him with his hand that no, I cannot play with you Floppy. So that's why he said go away Floppy, that I cannot play with you. Then Floppy, he came to the next 3-4 kids and he wants to play with them, and these kids also said go away Floppy, we are skipping, that we are already busy in playing and we are skipping in a rope, so we cannot play with you. Here the dog is also holding a ball in his mouth, so this is the sign that he wants to play with the kids. In next picture he came to the parents, and you can see the parents are having the brush and they are busy in the painting the wall, and this ball is still in the mouth of Floppy. The parents said go away Floppy, we are painting, that we are painting the wall and we cannot play with you. And in next page everybody is looking at the Floppy, and Floppy is in very bad mood and he's going back, and everybody felt that Floppy is angry with them, so they said come back Floppy, Floppy come back. And at the end they said we are sorry, means that everybody realized that Floppy was in a bad mood, so they said okay Floppy come back, we are ready to play with you. Now you can see a boy is offering a bone to Floppy as well, and Kipper is also in very good mood, so he is ready to play with Floppy. So Go Away Floppy is your ORT reading for today, and there is a written work for you, that is missing letters. You can see there is a block, they have given you 2 blocks are there. You have to pick each letter from this block and you have to write it in these blanks and the complete word week in front of you. Like, let me read it for you. A-P-P-L-E apple. B, B-A-L-L ball. C, C-A-T cat. D, D-O-G dog. E, E-G-G egg. Fish. F-I-S-H fish. G, G-A-T-E gate. H, H-A-T hat. Okay KG class, the ORT is your oral work, but this missing letter is your written work. You have to write it in your English copy. There is no worksheet and there is no copy page. This is the only sample for you. From here you can copy it in your notebook. So you have to write these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 words in your English copy. I hope you understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.